Hey guys, I am here to show you how to use a to-go kit in larger size planners. So when we first started these, the papers were at a half, and well, they still are, at a half sheet. You could fold them in half and just trim them a little bit, and they would fit perfectly around a pocket insert. And that's how the to-go kits started. We started with making them for just pocket kits. People wanted them for other sizes, so we took the insert out and we just have it as an accessory kit, and it comes with 4 sheets, half sheets of paper. Now this particular kit that I'm using and showing you today, this is the VIF, so very important flamingo. You earn this on a certain tier in our shop. So I'm using this one to show you, but it is the same items that are in any of our other to-go accessory kits. So with the 4 pieces of paper, what I do to make them fit into, I'm going to use B6, but these will work in A6, personal, wide, A5 even, any of the sizes. So what I do, if I have my little cutter, it's right here, is I just cut my paper down to 5 instead of 5.5. And this is, like I said, for a B6. And then I cut it down. This doesn't have a long enough measure on it, so let's see where we want to go with this. I'm going to say about right there. And then I take my piece of paper and I stick it in one side of my dash sleeve. And then I take another, I have 3 more pieces of paper. I'm going to stack them all up and cut them all at once here. That way you don't have to watch me cut paper all night. Okay. And let's say about right there again. Kind of check that with my other scrap. Right there. So all I did was cut each of the papers down. And now I'm going to slide another one on this side. Now we've got one dash sleeve with 2 sheets of paper and a second dash sleeve with 2 sheets of paper. Easy peasy. Now I have 2 dash sleeves full of papers. So that used all of my papers, minus these few little scraps over here. Push those aside. Now, of course, you still have the stickers, you have the paper clip, you have the charm, but the rest I'm going to play with are, well, you have the vellum too, which I would have just stuck in one of those as well, so it's kind of another half sheet of paper. So as you can see, it won't wrap around, but you could get, I mean, you could do it partially around, I don't know, on that one, but if you wanted the vellum to wrap, I would personally just have cut it down and stuck it in there. However, I'm just going to keep doing the dash sleeves. So we ended up with 2 dash sleeves that will wrap around the inserts. And again, we still have all these die cuts, and we can play with the die cuts, sticking them in if we wanted to. I'm just going to, this is fast decorating. This is just me throwing stuff in there just to kind of show you how you can do this. And you can always use some two-sided tape or whatever and glue those down if you wanted to. And now our dash sleeves nicely wrap around 2 inserts. Well, let me grab my, where are they? Here they are. So if this were all in my planner, which I will show you, you could have, here's even 5 inserts, and I'm not going to put it in all the bands. But in my planner here, and this is one of our new planners that are listed, which you'd have to watch our video on jump bands to how to get more on one band. But you would have your dashboard, you would have an insert, another dashboard, you could do an insert, another dashboard, insert, end with a dashboard. So I hope that kind of makes sense. Now another way you can do the papers, and if you don't have dash sleeves to put them in and you're a laminator, you could cut the 2 pieces of paper, butt them up to each other, and laminate them and fold them around your insert that way. So I hope that answered a few questions on how to use the the to-go kit in other sizes. So we made 2 very complete dash sleeves with the one to-go kit. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.